Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Pajero. Ito ang ating si Titan Portable Power Station. Liit lang naman to, 300 watts maximum capacity. Paano siya charge? Pwede siya sa solar, pwede siya sa car, at AC adapter. Ano kaya niya i-power up? Pagandahin yan, GoPro, camera, laptop, drone, air pump, projector, tablet, phone. Ideally, anything 300 watts max. 300 watts max power station. Titan 300. 78 ampere hour lang ang kanyang battery capacity. Pure sine wave yan. Kaya niya, nag-deliver siya ng AC na pure sine wave. Continuous, kaya niya magbigay ng 300 watts, pero 78 ampere hour lang yan. More or less, 2 oras. Mahigit lang ang kaya niya itagal sa 300 watts load. Let's charge the car charger. See how much wattage this is giving. 236, 41, 45, 49. Good, almost 50 watts. Good. I-testing natin ang nakaharvest nitong ating solar panel mini foldable, portable. 40 watts ang specs niyan. 40 watts ang kaya niyang ibigay. Sabi, ngayon is almost 10:30 ng umaga UAE time. So, ganda ng sikat ng araw. So, check na natin. Ayan, ready na ang ating power bank. Ito yung ating charging cable na nanggagaling sa panel. So, hindi, pag sinaksak natin yung automatic mag-o-open na yan. Let's try. Ito ang ating mini portable solar panel, portable and foldable. Ang kanyang binibigay na specs ay, sabi niya, 40 watts foldable solar panel. Yan. Ang kanyang cell efficiency is 20%. Monocrystalline grade ay silicon type. Maximum operating current 2.2 amps plus or minus. Maximum operating power voltage 18 volts. And then open circuit voltage 23.4. Kita ba natin? Sobrang liwanag eh, no? Kita ba ang pumapasok na reading? Liwanag. Ayun. 27 watts. State of charge is 83%. Tataas pa kaya sa 27 watts yan? Siguro pagka tanghalin tapat. Or less. Hindi naman kasi 100% efficiency yung mga solar panel. Kikita nyo ba yan? Ito naman ang pinaka main way ng pagcha-charging ng ating portable power bank through AC adapter. Ating AC adapter na to, ano bang specs niya? 100 to 240 volts auto volt, 50-60 Hz, 1.5 amps, output 24 volt kumpara sa ating power bank na 26 volts. So, goods. So, plug lang natin yung AC outlet. Yan. Open natin ang outlet switch. saksak natin sa ating power bank. Yan. Sabi ng adapter, kaya niya magbigay ng 70 watts. Tama ba? Kaya niya magbigay ng 72 watts. Pero ang currently nabibigay niya is less than 70. Meron konting inefficiency. Normal lang yan. 68 watts. So, base sa ating ginawang checking, ang pinakamabilis na paraan ng pagcha-charging nito ating power bank is through AC adapter dahil kaya niya magbigay ng kulang-kulang 70 watts. And alin ang pinakamabagal? Solar. Kasi maliit lang ating panel. Okay, goods. Salamat sa panonood nyo. If you like the content of this video, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless.